Hi, if you have a two-piece nozzle, we're gonna show you how to disassemble, clean and reassemble. The tools you need is a push-out element 7-8 millimeters diameter, a small hawk like used for dentists, but can also be like a small screwdriver to remove O-rings, to take out O-rings, and a small needle to free debris in a plate, in a flow rate plate. So first step is to disconnect the two pieces, the upper and the bottom piece. Let's put this one here first, and let's start with the upper piece. So if there's particle debris, probably it will sit in the first element. So you can try to rinse it at the tap with water, but sometimes it's not. Sometimes you want to remove all the components inside. Let's start here with the O-ring, and now we push it out from, let's say, same as the flow direction of the coffee is. So we go into the back side and we push carefully, and we are taking out one. So these are aerators, 2, 3, O-ring, and finally there is one aerator with a blue filter screen. So probably this is full with particles, debris, so rinse it, brush it, free it, and then reassemble the same way backwards. So I'm just gonna reassemble, I'm just reverse assemble it right now. So with the blue screen first, O-ring, white screen, so O-ring again, and white screen. So okay, and finally the retaining O-ring. Okay, now it's in. Good, let's put this aside. The bottom piece, there is a metal disc with two small holes. Could be also that these holes are closed, so it's not it's impossible to know which side is affected. This can be affected, but also the bottom side. So I'm going to show you how to disassemble, clean, reassemble here as well. So take out first O-ring, retaining plate. So now it's a bit tricky. There is a seat where the O-ring is sitting in and keeping also the metal plate in place. So not so easy to get that one out. Okay, get it. And now finally, metal disc, flow straightener. So in case there is any small particles clogging up the food path, the flow path, you need to take the needle and push it through the, let's say, through the small holes. So this disc here is a 5-hole disc, but usually there's a 2-hole disc, which has only 2 holes. So make sure you free it. Could be also scaling could be a topic if there's not a properly cleaning. So then over time flow rate goes down. So you can also use some acidic solution to get out all this scale, and then or push out with the needle. So same effect. So reassembling, same order, reverse, flow straightener, the disc, retaining O-ring, white seat, O-ring, and now let's screw it together, and you can put it back on the machine. Okay, thanks.